Sawadika, welcome to Pen Spell. Today's recipe, pork pickle, or other name in Thailand we call Naem. It's a delicious recipe and easy to make and perfect for a snack or salad or appetizer. And perfect. Let's follow me. Come on, let's make it together. Start with our ingredients for pork pickle, or other name in Thailand we call Naem. It's easy, simple to make, and few ingredients. It's perfect for probiotic and help us to digest and tummy in our stomach. Let's see. The first one is garlic. I used about 7 big cloves of garlic, and we could mash it or we could grate it, and we use a mortar to pound this garlic to let flavor or aroma coming out from garlic. It smells good. I haven't cooked yet, but smell good already. And 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and 3 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 pounds of ground pork. Now we got to mix everything together. Garlic in my mortar. I go to smash, and if you don't have that mortar, you can use this tool, and you just do grate like this, make mash garlic. Now to mix rice flour to I gotta put in the microwave. Mix. I use a glove to mix all pork pickle and pork, salt, garlic, and as rice for we cook in microwave about 50 seconds, and then mix well. I'm gonna use my hand. I wet my hand with water. It's easy. I roll, and I gotta put in a plastic bag. I can make a good size. Roll this side. One more. Do one more. I gotta put in the plastic bag at the good size. For the spicy level, you can add this spur chili or any chili you like, or red bell pepper. Good, after this, I'm going to wrap. Now to seal it. I'm going to wrap with a rubber band like this. I'll do one more. I will do 2 rubber band. Come out look like this. Keep it. If you want more, get a little more fermented, get a little more sour. And to keep it a little longer, they like some kind of hot temperature or warm temperature. And if they like cold temperature, you have to keep it not in refrigerator, room temperature, about maybe 7 or 8 days before you can eat that. If you quite rush to eat, you can eat anytime you want. You can cook, grill it, or fry it. It's all perfect. Or if you not fry it, you can eat when get fermented. It will be perfect flavor and a good probiotic. Ooh, look at our pork pickles all done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay happy and healthy. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.